Hello everyone. Today I just want to share with you my little view about declarative programming. The main idea of declarative programming is we need to describe only what the problem is and not how to tell the computer how to solve it. Yeah, the main idea is only describe what the problem is. For example, if you write a length algorithm, I will write this in code, length algorithm, we have to tell the computer that the list is only have two condition. Either the list is empty or the list has non-empty. For the first case, example, if the list is empty, the list of L is empty, then the length of the list is the length of L is 0. And for the second condition is if the list L is non-empty, then XS is mean the rest value of the list. Then the access is the list L without first element. Then the length of list L is 1 plus axis. So the axis means I will explain first. The axis is conventional way to describe a list like XS mean X is head, X is head of the list, and the rest and X's are the rest of the list. So the list we can write like this: X X's. We can write function the list like this. For example, in a comma, we can declare function name length is take argument list, then match list with if the list L is empty, then the length of the list L is 0. And the second condition, if the list L is not empty, which is like this axis, like this spot, then the length of L is 1 plus length recursive access the rest of the list. Okay, we need to add the rec here for the recursive function. So let's run. So is evaluate like length function, take a list, take option list, and return an integer. Let result length 1, 3. Return is eval result integer 3. So how this is work? Of course, it's work exactly like what we have declared before. This statement is exactly like this function. This function doing reduction to the list like okay, I will give explanation here. When a list written like 2, 3, it's also we can write like 1 list 2, 3. So when this list like this is matched with this condition, right? When access here is like 2 and 3 element of this list, the rest list. So when condition is like this, when x list of x's, it will return 1 plus length x's. So it will execute like 0 plus length 2 and 3. It will return 1 plus 2, 3, like 1 plus 1 plus length 3. It will return 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus length 0. And return 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus when length. Oh no, I think when length is empty, it will return 0. So the result is 3. That's the algorithm behind. So the characteristic of declarative programming is first, no loops, because we only create or use the recursion recursive. Recursive. Recursive like this. When a function use its own, call its own. When a function call its own, so there is no loop condition. Second is no set effect. The application of function to the same argument will always return the same value. It's also called this advanced name like referential transparency.